from our guy now. Alright. He said no the corner. Odikri Ogbekoko. Okay, so that's no you. Alright. Odikri Ogbekoko. Okay, so that's yo. What does this mean? That however long it may be, that the stammerer will finally call his father's name. What this means is that no matter what you are passing through now, you think you never arrive at your destination. Odikri, the stammerer will call his father's name. You, the stammerer now, you the hustler, you will call your father's name. Like maybe there's something you are expecting, you've not gotten it. Odikri Ogbekoko, so does you. But this could also mean another thing. For instance, let's assume some people are taken for granted, and because of the situation you find yourself in now, you may not be able to react accordingly. Maybe you are in a relationship, your husband is throwing you up and down, cheating on you, you cannot talk, or you are in a relationship, your wife is insulting you every now and then, you cannot talk. Now you will not be telling that woman that, look, Ogbekoko, so does you that when it is on the 00 hour, that you will do what you've been wanting to do ever since. You understand? So Ogbekoko, so does has a lot of meaning. So if you want to know more meaning about Ogbekoko, so does you go on to the comment section. Let's talk about it. Alright, don't forget, it came to you because I myself alone on my channel, and this is Urhobo Heritage. Favor, wado. You're doing well.
Pàwọ̀nrẹ́rẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ mo tètè nà pa kó ṣerú lúyòyò. Pàwọ̀nrẹ́rẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ mo tètè nà pa kó ṣerú lúyòyò. Àbí ìgbà tó lọ ọ̀gá lábìkó èjìgbó lápá rẹ̀ lọ lápá dáadáa. Akpaderi mumwere Omo tete mlakpako oberu yomi Odi kwejo ya Ogana biko Ejiko lakpo redi po Lakpo dada